Have you ever wished to turn your TV monitor to a whiteboard where you can actually scribble? Here's the easiest way to make it happen with Gotouch. Let's check out what you need. First, you need any kind of smart device like iPhone, Android phone, iPad, Android tablet, Windows PC, or MacBook that you already have. And of course, you need Gotouch, the Gotouch sensor and pin for the magic to happen. Download the Gotouch app from the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or follow the link on our website, anyreactive.com. And don't forget your TV, monitor, or projector screen. Connect your device with the screen, with wire, or wirelessly with Apple TV or Chromecast, depending on your preference. With wire, just plug in and play. Or with Apple TV or Chromecast, turn on the mirroring with just a few taps. You know how to do this, right? Now here comes Gotouch. Place your Gotouch sensor near your screen. For the best Gotouch experience, we recommend to place the sensor 1.5 times of screen width distance from the screen and at a 45-degree angle to the left or right of the screen. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the sensor. And you can pair the sensor with your device via Bluetooth. Okay, there's only one step left. Select Space Setting in the Setup menu and lightly tap the 4 corners of the screen with your Gotouch pin. Now Gotouch is ready to go. Quick and easy, isn't it? Your TV is now an interactive whiteboard where you can write and share with others. Let's make any screen interactive with Gotouch. Anyreactive.